Alrighty, here's part two for Runnin for Rhett Blue Crew. We've shown you how to sign into Meetup. Now we're going to show you how to join Runnin for Rhett. So first thing you'll do is come back to www.meetup.com, and since you've got an account now, you're going to click on Login, and we're going to still use the fake Walter White account. So we'll key Walter in here and the password. And you will be brought to a screen that looks like this. Now, you'll notice up here, since we put Walter White lived in Fair Oaks, it defaults to all meetups that are 25 miles within the vicinity of Fair Oaks. So there's a whole bunch, if you scroll up and down, about every topic you can conceive of. It's an amazing site. And it also defaults here to groups versus calendars. You can see here. What we're going to do to find Runnin for Rhett Blue Crew is simply key in Rhett and click on the spyglass, and boom, there it is right there. And we're going to have you click on that, and there's a little introduction as to what this is all about. It's worth taking a read here. The way this works is it's a 30-day free trial, and then 15 months after that, and you can join as many Runnin for Rhett Blue Crew events as you want. We call them crews. So walking groups, trail running groups, training for a half marathon, a triathlon, marathon, you name it, we're going to have it. And so what we're going to have you do here is click on Join Us right here, this big red button. And that will bring you to our waiver, and we just ask you to type in yes for each piece of the waiver. And then click next. Okay, and here it asks you kind of what sort of things are you interested in. You're welcome to click on all of these. These are for future references to refer other meetup groups to you. So I'm going to just click on recreational sports or outdoor fitness. Let's just go with that. And we'll let you come back and you can do whatever you like later. Here's the free 30-day trial, so just hit continue. And you get a nice membership pending message from Randy. And then you can click on take a look around. Now, meanwhile, Randy is sending you an email welcoming you. Once he approves you, which will happen pretty quickly, you get an email that says you're in and ready to go. And we'll take a quick look at what that looks like next. So here's an example of that confirming email. Once Randy approves you to join as a member, this one comes from me simply because I went in and approved myself, or Walter White in this case, but it'll normally come from Randy, and it's a greeting. And then at the bottom, immediately shows some of the events that are scheduled for Runnin for Rhett Blue Crew. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to back to Meetup, and so www.meetup, and we're going to log in. I'm going to log in as Walter White, and it automatically logged me in here. And one thing you'll notice is under your picture up here in the upper right is now Runnin for Rhett shows up because you've been approved to join. If you click on that, it takes you to our Runnin for Rhett homepage. And what you see here, right in the middle here, are all the various events that have been scheduled. And there, as you can see, are 36 already showing up here. And everything from ultra running to trail running to half marathon, 5K training, strolling for Rhett, moms and strollers, or dads and strollers, etc. There's all sorts of information here. So what we encourage you to do is check out the events here. And then next video, we're going to show you how to use discussions to kind of dial in on all the different things that are going on.